The magical world of multiplying fractions. Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting lesson in our series on learning English. Today, we'll be diving into the magical world of multiplying fractions. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to multiply fractions and the rules involved in the process. So, let's dive in. Before we can start multiplying fractions, we first need to understand what a fraction is. In its simplest form, a fraction represents a part of a whole. It consists of a numerator, which is the top number indicating the number of parts we have, and a denominator, which is the bottom number showing the total number of equal parts that make up the whole. For example, in the fraction 3/4, 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Now that we have a good understanding of fractions, let's move on to multiplying fractions. The process is straightforward and easier than you might think. When multiplying fractions, you simply multiply the numerators together to get the new numerator, and do the same with the denominators to get the new denominator. For instance, if we have the fractions 2/3 and 3/4, and we want to multiply them, we would multiply the numerators 2 times 3 equals 6, and the denominators 3 times 4 equals 12. So, 2/3 multiplied by 3/4 equals 6/12. After multiplying fractions, we often need to simplify the result. Simplifying fractions means to make the fraction as simple as possible. In our previous example, 6/12 can be simplified to 1/2. The easiest way to simplify a fraction is to find a number that can divide evenly into both the numerator and the denominator. In our example, the number 6 can divide into both the numerator and the denominator, so we divide both by 6 to get our simplified fraction, 1/2. And that wraps up our lesson on multiplying fractions. Remember, multiplying fractions is as easy as multiplying the numerators and denominators, and don't forget to simplify your result at the end. I hope this video has made the process clearer and has taken some of the mystery out of fractions. Thank you for joining me on this mathematical journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!